Another interesting thing about Scriptcase 9.4 will be the exportation progress bar for some extensions such as Excel, Word, and others. Currently, in previous versions of Scriptcase, the progress bar was just available for PDF files. So let's create an Excel file. Selecting Excel, download, and we can just go here and open our file. So if we go here, we are going to see this totalization. In this case is the grand summary, and this is also a new feature. This feature was just available into PDF, but right now in the version 9.4 it's available for Excel files as well.